and teach you how to play it, but today it's gonna be fun, so let's get started. Before that, have you watched the NBA Finals? That the Golden State Warriors swept the Cavs. Oh, cool. But, and also, please leave a like and subscribe to this video, so, yeah, and it can be very dark, so please leave a like, subscribe, and comment. So, and I will be showing you how to, this is it. I'm going to be playing Red Ball 4 that I just heard from one of my friends, so yeah. And also, by the way, remember the end of the school year. It's June 18th today, and by the way, it's the end of the school year. Probably like 8 days ago. So yeah. And by the way, soon, have you seen my old trailer, 2018? The old trailer. Here, let me just show
new trailer
you it. So yeah.
Okay, so so today we're gonna be playing this is the new trailer, so let's get started. So first step, I'm on YouTube, and today, pause this video. Okay, so have you ever seen this Ben's 2018 trailer? It's a new trailer. So, yeah. So let's get started. And by the way, I beat a lot of adults at Towson, so this is like the new trailer. So that. Oh, cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And see that? It's like the new trailer, and like it was fun at school. And I went to out of town 8 days ago, and most of my friends' school ends like at June 10th, but some of them may like at May, but like it's June 18th, and yeah. This is the new trailer of 2018. So, yeah. So, thanks guys. I will be playing Red Ball soon, and enjoy this video. So, let's get started.